Hey everybody, welcome back to Ask Bob on LinkedIn and Facebook here at Bob Hook Chevrolet. This week's question is from Gary in St. Matthews, and Gary asks, Bob, do I need to pay off my car before I trade it in? Gary, that's a great question. There's a lot of mystery out there about payoffs and how does that even get handled if you're ready to buy a new car, but your current vehicle is not paid off on your loan yet. So this is why trade-in value is so important, and a good reason for you to shop around on trade value. Whether you go to stop into a couple dealers just to get offers real quick, even if you found the car you want to replace it with already, but trade value is huge. Let me show you a couple different scenarios. First of all, you don't have to pay your car off before you trade it in, and that would be financially tough for a lot of people to do. But two different scenarios here. Let's say you've got a car and you owe $8,000 on it, and you get a trade-in value of $10,000. That's awesome. You now have $2,000 of equity that's gonna go towards your next car purchase, whether it's down payment or just knocks down the price of that new car. Okay, so now let's reverse that. Your car is worth $8,000, but you owe $10,000. In that situation, you've got $2,000 of negative equity. So the dealership can still pay off that whole loan, but you're still gonna be basically responsible for $2,000 of it. So that $2,000 is gonna make the price of your next vehicle go up, or the loan amount of your next vehicle go up. Happens every day, people do it all the time, but that's a great reason to have a knowledge and an understanding of where your trade value is versus your payoff. Now, one thing we want to advise everybody of, and we think this is a little bit of misleading advertising, beware of the car lot or the dealership that says, we'll pay off your trade no matter how much you owe. That's a true scenario. But then they also may say something like, we'll give you $3,000 or $4,000 more than your car is worth. In the real world, that's never gonna happen. Somebody's not gonna buy a car, especially a car dealership that understands car values, for $4,000 more than it's worth. What's gonna happen is you're gonna be so excited that you got a great trade value that then that dealership or car lot is gonna add that money right back into the price of the car you're buying. So all it is gonna be a little bit of a game of moving from one side to the other. So that's why it's important to shop somewhere like Bob Hook Chevrolet, where you're gonna get clear and transparent trade value and price on the car you're buying. Gary, I hope that answers your question and we were helpful. And remember, send me your questions at LinkedIn, Facebook, and my email address, bhook3@bobhook.net. Thanks and have a great day.